All right, boys and girls, good afternoon. Looks a little different in here now, doesn't it? Let me start at front. This will be the kitchen. There's going to be a counter coming out here, peninsula. Open concept to the living room here. And right between these windows is going to be a wall. And right this side of the plumbing lines where these boards are stacked is going to be another wall. This will be an office. You come down the hall. You'll turn, and this is going to be laundry area. This is all going to be open in here. This is the wall. This is a guest bedroom here. I think it's 8 by 10 or 8.5 by 10, something like this. This is going to be the hall bathroom. It's going to be a tub, toilet, sink. And this is the master. I forgot the dimensions of this. This will be the master bath, sink. No, I'm sorry, vent, shower, toilet, sink, and closet. So yep, we're coming along. We just pull all the electrical out. Electrician said he wasn't no use leaving. He's going to pull it up. He wanted it all pulled out. Still think more, more to do to him wanting to make a little extra profit on the everything. So, but oh well. This is panel box that's going to be moved, probably over to the laundry area, someplace in that nook over there. And so that's where we're updated. Got the flooring down, getting the walls up. Got some good old classic rock and roll playing. I don't listen to that as much as I used to, but anyway, so that's where it's at. Making progress, so it can be done. People say, I don't want a free trailer. Well, and if you did this yourself, it would take longer. We got a crew in here, 2 guys helping. It would take longer. One person, but you're still going to come out a lot cheaper than if you went and built a house or bought a house. So I don't know what he's got into this quite yet. So next is going to be the windows. We're going to pull those out, put new windows in. I got to put the door in, got the back door in. I didn't do this one. I'm not happy with it. These guys here did it. There's going to be some modifications. One thing is opening's not square. And you see the headers doesn't come down onto the jack stud, so I'm a little perturbed about that. We got some issues. Some other places they didn't block the edge of the decking to the door. So anyway, guys, hey, I just want to bring you an update on this mobile home we're renovating. Got the, I don't know if you can see out there, I don't think you can. We got the siding guy out there cutting some metal siding to repair some places on the outside. So you can see where he's already got some new on the outside. See it shiny. So yep, coming along pretty good. I hope to have this done within a month, because I have another one starting next month. So I need to get this one wrapped up, get out the door, and get on to the next project. So it's going to be pretty neat, I think. Like I said, I would have changed a few things. One of the things we run into is he drew the plans up. This is where the wall's supposed to be, so this is where I put the stub out for the hot and cold for the utility room and for the water heater. It's going to have an on-demand water heater. Well, he decides that maybe this isn't, so he wants the wall moved back 16 inches. Guess where my water lines are? Okay, guess that's going to be probably a major ordeal moving those 16 inches. So, but hey, you pay for it. So that's why it helps. He had a plan. He drew a plan himself, but just didn't. I still think we could get by. Dryer here, washing machine here. Mine are front load and they're 28 inches deep. this is about 36 to the door. I think that'd be plenty. He's worried about it won't be plenty. So his money, we'll move him. It's gonna be pretty penny though. Anyway, hey, y'all like, subscribe, click the little bell down there, and stay tuned. Let me show you kitchen here before I leave. This is where the all rotted. This used to be a little hall bathroom, all rotted out. We got new lumber in there now. Here again, look, the HVAC guy was looking at his plans, put a register right here. Well, guess what goes here? Yeah, that's right, the peninsula. So I'll have to box this out and put like a kickboard register in, blown out into either the living room or the kitchen. So anyway, hey, Donald, Blue Collar DIY, like and subscribe. We'll catch y'all later. Stay tuned. When you click that bell down there, you'll get update on each time I post a video, and you can see how this thing progresses. Anyway, I'm out.